Hello again. Welcome to Staro Technology YouTube channel. Now we are going to talk about TikTok. Sorry, TikTok. This app you can get free followers, free views, free likes. Now we are going to talk about how you can get free likes on TikTok. So this is my TikTok account. Let me show you my profile before, and I will show you profile after. This is one video I have on my TikTok account. This video actually have one like. You can see here I have one like. Or even here on platform I have one like on my TikTok account. So we are going to buy TikTok likes here. Let's jump to the platform. You can use any browser you want. For me, I'm using Google Chrome. I'm going to search for Celebian.com. This is a platform which is going to be used for getting free TikTok views or TikTok followers. So I'm going to come here on free TikTok likes and click here. After loading, continue to the site web. Here we select TikTok. TikTok marketing. Here there is followers, there is likes, live. Here we are going to click on likes, TikTok likes, other premiums, other likes. Here we come on order now. We can jump here. Instead of searching Celebian.com, add this one. Instead of searching Celebian.com only, you have to search Celebian.com free TikTok likes, and then you click on here on Celebian platform. Here you are going to insert your username. Let me insert my username on TikTok. You can insert yours. This is mine. You can check here, we have 100 likes, and then you click on continue. After clicking on continue, I will see my account, my TikTok account. This is my TikTok account. Then I select the video, click on the video. This select one post. I've selected one post, then I click on next. Then I insert my email for verification. This is email. Then I click on start trio. Then you have to check this email. Confirm your trio through email sent. You have sent email to this email. Let me log into this email and then we confirm the trio. I have to switch account to this one. Then I check. This is here, Celebian. Get your free likes now. You have to click here, get my free likes. Trio success. Now I have trio success. Your trio has started. Keep an eye on TikTok. You will see the results shortly. They are saying that the result is going to come shortly. I have to wait and check on my TikTok account. Now I can keep checking on my TikTok account to check if my trio have started actually. I already have one like. Now it becomes 9. Let me keep refreshing and keep waiting for more likes. Now it becomes 9 likes. You can actually watch here have 9 likes. This is the video I'm using to buy likes, or to not to buy, because I didn't buy. This is free likes on TikTok. And please, if you like the video, make sure you subscribe for more videos. Now it becomes 17. Once I click on the video, now you can see that I have 17 likes on my TikTok video. This is one. If you can see where it is 19, it is 19, 17 likes, 25 likes. It is increasing time by time. So if you have more time, you can keep requesting more trio on this platform. Let me be back. You can see that for more likes, you can come again and click on continue, and you had another post or another likes. Then I click on next, as I did before, and start trio. I've already used trio. I can use this for another package, or you can even pay. For 100 it is $2.49, for 200 is $3.99, or for more up to 10,000 TikTok likes it is $64.99. Let me refresh again to check if it's already there. 41. You can keep checking that these likes can be up to 100 likes. Thank you for watching. Make sure you have subscribed and follow this account for more posts.